blessed with a baby girl from I think from the Copper Belt, where the wife went to deliver. Unfortunately, we lost the wife. Unfortunately, the wife went to be the Lord. But the Bible is saying, blessed are those who die in the Lord. But you know about freedom with this school. Bala tusha mukuwomba. Number one. Bala tusha mukuwomba. Lelo imirimo yabo yakula chitashani yakula abakonka. Amen. Those who are following my posting on WhatsApp, I was saying something very, very important there. I said the church building or the structure that we are going to put here, inganda church yotukalakul, not kano today akaka bofi. We are just using this one temporarily to start meeting. But the church building, iyo tukala kula pano, iyo tuwa tampa fietuwa tampo kumana muno, iyo tuwa kula kuya kuntanshi, yikala mbokchina pano, yikala afika kuntanshi uko, and it's going to be a story building, 2 floors. Ikakwate school pa floor number 1, it's going to have administration block on the 2nd floor, and then pansha pa epotuka kwate la church hall. Now that building, it was designed by the same Mrs. Mwango, who is now late. She's passed on, but she's the one who did the designing of the church building in this house. Isn't that beautiful? So I was saying, design. It means that imirimo yabo ichirire bakonka.